come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get ourselves inside the wedding Bonga no Nkanyezi, like the adulting wedding. It was beautiful, but we also saw that Ubonga begagu June July. Ukai literally was like, I'm not doing this anymore. Like the groom was the groom was literally 3 hours late. 3 hours, guys, 3 hours late from his wedding. Like, but I love the friends. The friends made sure Ugutu Ubonga is getting married. The friends made sure that they are there. The friends just made sure Ugutu Ubonga gets time to think and. Nkanyezi was there, guys, waiting for Ubong. Imagine as the bride waiting for the groom, and you're not even sure, Uguti, is this guy, what is this guy thinking? And when he comes back and says, I want to do this and I want to do this with you for life. And you can't even ask him, Uguti, why were you having doubts in the first place? But nonetheless, Nkanyezi did not ask that. What they did, though, is they had fun. We did not see a cutting of the cake, the speeches and the what and the what and the what. But we are assuming, Uguti, on the next season, there will be umama no baba. Asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ke ngobonga aka umbhebheli ukuthi uzoshintsha abe a loyal husband or what's going to happen, we don't know. But what we know is they had a wedding, and you know that Disable loves weddings. That's why I'm going to drop the special right here. Do like, share and subscribe.